Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking all about Christmas wreaths, one of the most beautiful and festive decorations for the holiday season. A Christmas wreath is more than just a decoration for your door. It's a warm welcome to family, friends and everyone who visits your home during the holidays. In this video, we will explore decorating Christmas wreath ideas that you can make yourself or find in stores, perfect for adding that cozy festive charm to your space. So let's get started. Let's start with the evergreen wreath, the most classic Christmas design. It's made from pine, cedar or fireplace, full of that wonderful fresh holiday smell. You can decorate it with red ribbons and shiny ornaments for the perfect traditional look. Add a big red bow at the bottom and it instantly feels like Christmas. This style never goes out of fashion. It's warm, festive and always welcoming. If you love a more simple and earthly look, the rustic wreath is perfect. Use dried orange slices, small twig and ribbon. It's easy to make and bring a natural cozy feeling to your home. Hang it on your front door at above the fireplace for a country style holiday vibe. The warm colors and natural scent will make your home smell and feel like Christmas magic. For those who love a touch of glamour, try a gold and silver wreath. Use metal ornaments, glittery ribbons and shiny leaves for a sparkling effect. It looks amazing with fairy lights or candles around it. This style is perfect for a modern, elegant Christmas theme. Especially if you love sparkle and shine, you can also add small white flowers or pearls to make it even more graceful. Want something fun and full of holiday cheer? Try a red and white candy wreath. Use candy cans, red ribbons and little ornaments like that sweets. This design brings out the joy and plainness of Christmas. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.